Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Armarouge in Pokémon Unite. Armarouge excels as a ranged attacker, dealing significant special attack damage from a distance. Your main goal is to contribute to team fights by safely dishing out damage. Prioritize farming wild Pokémon in the early game to quickly reach level 5 and unlock your powerful moves. Always be mindful of your positioning to avoid getting caught out by the enemy team. Armarouge's kit offers both sustained and burst damage. Fire Spin is excellent for consistent damage and grants shields, increasing your survivability. Armor Cannon provides a powerful burst and a quick dash for repositioning or finishing off foes. A key strategy involves using basic attacks to extend Fire Spin's duration, maximizing its effectiveness. Your Unite move, Psychoboom, is excellent for team fights, unleashing massive area damage and stunning opponents to turn the tide. Choosing the right items and emblems is crucial for Armarouge's performance. For held items, I recommend choice specs and wise glasses to maximize your special attack output. Energy Amplifier is also a strong choice, significantly boosting your Unite move damage. When it comes to emblems, aim for a combination of 6 green and 7 black emblems to enhance your damage and cooldown reduction. If you find yourself targeted often, a defensive item like Focus Band can provide valuable survivability. In team fights, Armarouge thrives when positioned behind your frontline defenders, allowing you to safely unleash your damage. Prioritize targeting squishy enemy attackers and supporters to quickly eliminate their damage or healing potential. Your high damage output is also excellent for securing crucial objectives like Rayquaza or Regieleki. Always communicate with your teammates to coordinate your attacks and ensure you're working together effectively to achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.